I'm Asada, and I'm going to show you how to prepare mushroom tacos. This recipe calls for cilantro lime wild rice. To prepare the wild rice, you'll need 1 cup of wild rice, 4 cups of liquid, in this case, half vegetable stock, half water, a lime, and fresh cilantro. For the salsa, you'll need about half a pint of cherry tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of diced red onion, the juice of half a lime, and some fresh cilantro. For the sauteed veggies, you'll need about half a sliced red onion, half a sliced bell pepper, and half a pound of oyster mushrooms chopped. To prepare the wild rice, start by rinsing it. Bring your 4 cups of liquid to a boil. Add the wild rice to the pot. After it returns to a boil, reduce the flame to low, cover with the top, and cook for about 45 minutes. When the rice is done, you can add your lime juice, cilantro, and sea salt to give it the desired flavor. To get the most juice out of your lime, be sure to roll it before cutting. Cut and dice about 2 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Add the cilantro and about a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt to the rice. Mix to combine and set aside. To prepare the salsa, dice your cherry tomatoes and add the diced red onions, about 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, about a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and the juice of half a lime. Mix to combine and set aside. Now you can move on to the sauteed veggies. Heat a nonstick pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Add the sliced peppers and onions and begin to season with about half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of both sea salt and black pepper. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. When done, move the peppers and onions to a dish and set aside. Working with the same pan, return to the heat and add the chopped oyster mushrooms. Season with about a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, about half a teaspoon of onion powder, about half a teaspoon of cumin, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. In a small area of the pan, add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, about a 1/4 cup of vegetable stock, and stir to combine. Then incorporate with the mushrooms. Taste the mushrooms. If they need any more seasoning, add it now. If you want your mushrooms a bit saucier, you can add more tomato paste and vegetable stock. Cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes, remove from the heat, and set aside. If you're using corn tortillas or homemade alkaline tortillas, you can heat them on a flat pan or in the oven for about 2 minutes. When they are done, you can start building the tacos. Start with the cilantro lime wild rice. Then add the chopped oyster mushrooms. Next are the sauteed peppers and onions. And lastly, the tomato salsa. You may also top the tacos with slices of avocado and garnish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime. There are so many ways to make plant-based tacos. Is there something that you do differently? Leave a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until next time. Do you want to switch to a plant-based lifestyle? Visit AssataBAKES.com for details on how to purchase this plant-based starter kit.